This is expensive. $49 per kilo. Yeah, expensive.
Select from displayed items or look up item alphabet. Finalize your payment.
Yeah, in case you don't know that shoes is yeah, given to me by one company, a leader, and they asked me to promote that shoes. Yeah, if you are always walking in the shoreline, in the water, doing some hiking, yeah, that shoes is good. Very comfortable inside the pit comfortable. Yeah. Yeah, it is now 3:45. I succeed today because I plan to come home before 4 o'clock. All of them cost $41.98. Yeah. Okay, I'm going to take a good shower, and then it is 4:15 in there, but actually it's already 5:20. Yeah, already there is a time saving adjustment. It's already 5:20. Yeah, I'm going to cook my meal. Yeah, it's going to be this marinara. I'm going to make it like a sinigang. Just put all of this here. And I have this sinigang mix. I'm going to let it boil, and then I'm going to add some seasoning later. Yo, this is how it is. Just need to add some seasoning, salt or fish sauce. Oh, delicious. Yo, good morning guys. Yeah, it is already 5:30. I didn't change it yet, but it's actually 5:30 already in the morning, and I'm going to work. Yeah, my duty today is 6 o'clock. It is dark outside because yesterday there was the time saving adjustment. It means that the hours has been moved forward. Forward or backwards? 2 days ago, 5:30 was already bright outside. Now it's dark like this. I will show you. Yeah, this is how dark it is at the moment. You know, in the Philippines, we don't have a time saving adjustment. Yeah, the time is normal, as continuous as it is. Also in Dubai, there is no time saving adjustment. I know in Europe they also have a time saving adjustment. Yeah, I first learned that time saving adjustment with my Italian colleague before. Yo, good afternoon, guys. Yeah, we're going home now. There are many people here around today. You see from that side, yeah. Also in here, nice. And there are some more in here. Yeah, if you can see, they have this kind of big umbrella. Really nice. You know, today is holiday. That is why there are many people around here this time. Yeah, you see, they are everywhere, and most of them, they are coming from the neighboring city, neighboring suburbs. It's like 4 days of holiday for the people around here. That is why most of them, they travel to different countrysides. Most of the tourists are New South Wales locals, because you know, traveling around New South Wales is still the safest thing to do. I mean, not complicated. Today we did 204. Yeah, that's a lot, but it was feeling smooth. Okay, we're going to leave the bike there, and we're just going to have a quick look at the people around here. I believe there are so many. So at the moment, yeah, there's like a boyfriend, girlfriend. And then if we go out here, yeah, you see a lot of people in there, also here, and there are more on that side. Really nice. You know, I feel that here is one of the best place to swim for someone like me, because yeah, the ground is not really deep. There is no sudden go down here, so yeah, it's not dangerous to swim around here. Here we go. Up there. And again, we are here in the, yeah, you know, my hater. I think he's somewhere around here and he's going to attack me again. Oh, I hope that. Oh, good. So good. So he didn't attack me today. Nice. Yeah, look at that. There are many people in there. Some people, they built their tent. Nice. Look at that. He is using too much energy to pedal because it's going up. Yeah, and there are also many people, and also many movements going on in the water. Yeah, a lot of yacht, ferry, boat. What's the speedboat? No, what's that? I always forget the name of that, like a motor. We are not going to bike around because yeah, there are many people along the way. Looks like every restaurant are full today, especially in that coffee shop. Yeah, many people are waiting for their cup of coffee. Yeah, I'm watching 8 Miles from Home. They are a British couple who've been traveling around the world. I mean, living around the world. Because if I remember, they are living before in Thailand, and they moved to Portugal, and then they get stranded in the Philippines during the lockdown, and they decided to stay in the Philippines. It's been almost yeah, more than 8 months already that they are in the Philippines. So yeah, like they don't have formal leaving the Portugal. I mean, all their things are still in Portugal. But if I'm not mistaken, they sold it in Portugal. Now they are living in the Philippines. Anyway, I already took a shower, and it's already 2. No, it's not 2:30. It's actually 3:30. This rice is already cooked, and now I have this. I am heating this. This is the one that I cooked last night. The sinigang. Yeah, their blood is very relaxing. They are family. Yeah, very relaxing, real life. Especially this girl. The name is Story. Check their channel. The channel is 8 miles from home.
Doing that little activity, I'm making some pasta for lunch. Jay's into hour 3 of window project. It's been 3 hours. This is the third.
Rice scooper is very useful, amazing. And in case you don't know, this is coming from Mr. Mike. Yeah, he's from Sydney. He traveled to Shoal Bay. He stays in Shoal Bay, and we meet, and he gave this to me. I appreciate this very much. Afternoon. Thank you. Yo, good afternoon, guys. Yeah, we're going home now. Today I finished at 2:30 because very busy. It's just me and my executive chef today. Both of us are running. Yeah, I actually didn't finish my job today. I mean, I have some things that I didn't do. It is okay not to do those things because those are my job for tomorrow. Yeah, the job for the things for the other guys. Yeah, I made it. There will be no problem for them tomorrow. Feels like it is going to rain. I don't know, because at night it was very windy also. Oh, look at that. Today is all white. You see, the water is white and the sky is cloudy. Looks different today. Today I am wearing this helmet that is color green. This is different from the usual helmet that I am using. So I think the bird is not going to attack me. Yeah, I think that bird is recognizing me because of my black helmet. But yesterday he didn't attack me. Maybe he's not around. Okay, we are now here. Nothing today. There's none the bird. And now we are going to the town center to take money from the ATM machine. There are still many people around here today. And you know, just now I noticed that there is a e-bike hire on that side. You can read that, e-bike hire. Yeah, so if you come here in Nelson Bay and want to experience electric bike, try to go there, hire it, and yeah, you can easily roam around, yeah, from Salamander, Nelson Bay, Corlett, Shoal Bay, and Pingal Bay. Yeah, it's nice in here. And we're just going to take money from that ATM machine for my house rents, which is $250 every week.